Shubha Vijay to all of y'all.
Happy Dasera to all our followers on Instagram and YouTube.
No, it's subscribers on YouTube.
Correct. Sorry.
Yeah. So today we are here to tell you that who we are, because we get a lot of requests from you all on our Instagram DMs that what are we, what do we do, and what is the story behind a Malabong connection, how this happened. So today we'll tell you a small story about us and.
Our story, how we started the entire channel and how this has happened. So stay tuned. We will also be sharing our winners for the Durga Puja giveaway contest. So stay tuned. Watch the video.
So, did you see that girl on the picture? The girl with the doll? Yes, so that was me. So, the only time when I used to enter the kitchen was to have the yummy food cooked by my mom. So, from there, the interest from having food to making yummy food has started. Especially during the Durga Puja, when we have the get together and mom cooks really yummy food. So all these delicious, authentic food has given me some kind of an interest. Oh wait, so you're forgetting something.
What?
That we have arranged for a giveaway contest.
Oh yes, forgot.
And, yeah, so for that we have to announce the name of our first giveaway contest winner.
Absolutely. They're waiting.
Yeah, so our next giveaway contest winner name we will be announcing on the later stage of the video. So you have to stay tuned with us.
Don't forget, stay tuned.
So we got a great response from you all, and we were really confused of how to choose our winners as the responses were really amazing. So we have compared both the YouTube and Instagram comments and posts and shares, and we are dependent on the website. This website has made our task a little easier. So what they will do is they will choose the winner based on the maximum engagement, like how many posts they have shared, how many likes they have done, how many people did they recommend it, and how many people have participated in the contest through their recommendation. So all of these together will be chosen by this website. So let's see who's the winner.
So here goes my story. I entered the kitchen the first time when I was around 7-8 years. Uh, my first dish on the, or I can say a first thing which I prepared in the kitchen was a tea. From there my journey began. I was always interested in food. Slowly by slowly I started learning about gravies. I started slowly cooking at home. So by the end of 10 years of my 10th standard, I was pretty much into cooking. So a very common question was what 10th standard students face from teachers is that what do you want to become in life? What kind of professions do you want to choose? So 80% of the class will go for saying that I want to become a doctor, I want to become an engineer. And I was an odd man out who said I want to get into hotel industry. So I was very fixed. My things were sorted. I was very clear that I wanted to enter the hotel industry when I was 10. On my 10th standard, and I wrote my entrance exams and got through my course. So after graduating from Institute of Hotel Management, Bangalore, I started working with leading 5-star hotel chains like Taj, Marriott, Starwoods, and all that. And that's how I got specialized into food and beverage industry.
Oh, you're shooting? Just a moment. So that's how the life is. So we both of us, we work Monday to Friday, and Saturday, Sunday, we keep the time for our passion. So Sham takes care mostly with the content. So whatever content you guys see is created by Sham, and I mostly stay behind the scene, like taking care of the shoots, taking care of posting the videos, connecting to you all. So mostly the DMs has been answered by me to you all.
1. So here goes our second giveaway. Take 2. So here goes our second giveaway. You know how it is. So here, let's forgot. A few moments later. So here goes our second giveaway. So stay tuned for that.
So initially, me and Charm, we both thought that we will be giving this Amazon vouchers to only 2 winners, but the responses were so amazing, and the competition was so close that we didn't feel like only giving it to 2 winners. Instead, we are giving it to 4 winners this time. So we have 2 more additional winners also with us.
Congratulations to all the winners. So do DM us your details, contact number. Our Instagram ID is just down, so you can DM us your contact details so that we can send you your Amazon vouchers.
And people who are not following us on Instagram, please do follow us on Instagram, because we keep sharing our small stories, quick recipes, and a lot of things on Instagram. So please don't miss all these things. It's gonna be very entertaining for you all. So if you haven't followed us yet, so the link, the Instagram link is given below. Please do follow us. And people who have still not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel, because we put a lot of efforts to create a content for you all. We know that we are not a pro, but definitely we put a lot of hard work so that you like.
So thank you so much for watching the video. Stay safe. Have a safe Diwali. Have a safe. I mean, Diwali is the next festival on the go. So
And once again, Shubha Vijaya.
happy Dussehra.
And happy Diwali, which is advance happy Diwali to all of you.
Stay safe. Stay at home.